Hi everybody, this is Connie again from the Danville Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy, simple, sweet snack with things that you probably have in the cupboard at home. And we're going to start off with, these are just little vanilla wafer cookies. You could use any kind of cookie. And I have a sample made for you. I have one here that's made with peanut butter, and this one is made with pink icing. And all you do is take your icing and put a nice big gob of icing on your cookie, put your other cookie on top, and then this is pink sugar sprinkles, and you just do that around the edge and you have a cookie snack. And then I'm going to do one with peanut butter, 2 cookies, a nice big dollop of peanut butter. Put your other cookie on top. Oh, this is going to be a monster cookie. And then you just roll it in your sprinkles just like this. And then you have a peanut butter one. So you have peanut butter and you have pink icing with pink sprinkles. Easy to make at home, and you can use almost any kind of cookie and any kind of sprinkle. You could use chocolate chips or anything that tastes good to you. Have fun. Try to make these at home. See you later. Bye.